The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is the talk of the tech world, expected to launch alongside the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus in January. As anticipation builds, many are wondering if it is worth waiting for the latest iteration or if the Galaxy S24 Ultra, already on the market, remains the more practical choice. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to introduce some upgrades, the Galaxy S24 Ultra continues to stand strong with its impressive features and performance, making it a tough competitor even against its upcoming successor. At the core of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, which offers remarkable efficiency and power. Whether it is demanding mobile games or multitasking with resource-intensive applications, this chipset handles it all seamlessly. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra might introduce a new chipset rumored to be the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the difference in day-to-day performance may not be as dramatic as expected. The Galaxy S24 Ultra already delivers exceptional capabilities, allowing users to enjoy a smooth experience without waiting for a newer model. The build quality of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is another strong selling point. Its titanium frame adds durability and a premium feel. Although rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a similar titanium design, there is unlikely to be a significant improvement in materials. For those prioritizing strength and style, the Galaxy S24 Ultra already offers an excellent combination of both, ensuring a sturdy and sleek device. When it comes to aesthetics, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's sharp and edgy corners have drawn widespread praise. This design gives the phone a modern and professional look that appeals to many users. Reports hint at slightly rounded corners on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which may enhance comfort but could be a step back for those who prefer the sharper aesthetic. If the bold design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra appeals to you, it remains a standout choice. Samsung is well known for its advancements in artificial intelligence, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra is no exception. The device already features an array of impressive artificial intelligence tools, from photography enhancements to personalized user experiences. Based on Samsung's history, many of the new artificial intelligence features expected in the Galaxy S25 Ultra are likely to become available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra through software updates. This ensures users can benefit from cutting-edge technology without upgrading hardware. In terms of hardware, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is already equipped with state-of-the-art components. Its ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner and other advanced features make it a robust and future-proof device. Even if the Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces minor improvements, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's current specifications are unlikely to feel outdated anytime soon. This makes it an appealing option for those looking for a high-quality phone without waiting. One of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's standout features is its camera system. The device includes a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel lens with 5x optical zoom, a 3x telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide lens. These features provide users with incredible versatility for capturing detailed photos and videos. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to offer modest upgrades, such as slight improvements to the ultra-wide lens, these incremental changes may not drastically alter the overall photography experience. The Galaxy S24 Ultra already excels in this area, making it a reliable option for photography enthusiasts. Overall, the Galaxy S24 Ultra delivers flagship performance, a premium build, and a stunning design. The incremental updates rumored for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, while intriguing, may not justify the wait or the potential increase in price. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, users can enjoy a top-tier smartphone experience right now without compromising on quality or innovation. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new edition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.